Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best plasma cutters that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Primeweld CUT50D. The Primeweld Cut 500 is one of the best rated plasma cutter models on the market. It is well built, with professional quality precision, but comes with a budget-friendly price that makes it even more attractive. This unit has a compact design that is lightweight, with an ergonomic handle to make it easy to carry with you anywhere you need it around your home workshop or on the road to job sites. The Cut 500 is also versatile, cutting stainless steel, mild steel, alloy steel, copper, aluminum, and a variety of other metals. The 50-amp digital air inverter can cut pieces up to 1/2 inch with a maximum severance thickness of 3/4 inch quickly and cleanly. A control knob on the front of the unit lets you adjust the output current to alter the intensity of the cut, which is a necessity for more detailed cuts. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hypertherm Powermax30 XP. The Hypertherm Powermax30 XP is not a cheap plasma cutter, but it is built to last, making it worth the higher cost in the long run. It is also easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started, plus a few extras for added convenience. This plasma cutter is compact and lightweight, so you can use it almost anywhere. The auto voltage technology and the included adapters let you plug it into any outlet with either 120 volts or 240 volts to run this handy unit. The Powermax30 XP is versatile, with a 2-in-1 design that lets you do some high power cutting on a variety of thicker metals as well as some fine cuts for more detailed work with cleaner edges. At number 3, we have the Hobart Airforce 27i. The best plasma cutter for the money needs to be built well, with great features that are easy to use, even for those who are just starting with this type of tool. The Hobart Airforce 27i does have a high price tag, though what it has to offer may make it well worth the cost. This plasma cutter has a simple design in a compact body but is made using quality materials that will last for years. This includes heavy gauge steel, aluminum, and even fire-resistant plastic for the wiring. Despite these durable parts, this unit is still lightweight and portable, with an ergonomic, heat-resistant handle on top. To get started with this plasma cutter, all you need to do is plug it in and connect the compressed air supply. Then ground the workpiece, pull the trigger, and start cutting. The dual voltage compatibility allows you to use either 120 volts or 240 volts, whichever is available, without adding an adapter to the plug. At number 2, we have the Herocut CUT55DP Plasma Cutter. The Herocut CUT55DP Plasma Cutter is a robust and versatile cutting tool that caters to both professional and DIY enthusiasts. It's a digital plasma cutter equipped with IGBT inverter technology, capable of operating on dual voltage, 110 volts, 220 V, making it adaptable to various work environments. With a maximum cutting thickness of 16 mm on 220 volts and a clean cut capacity of 12 mm, it offers considerable power for its size. On 110 volts, it still performs admirably, with a maximum cutting thickness of 12 mm and a clean cut at 8 mm. The 60% duty cycle at 55 amps and 100% at 45 amps is impressive, indicating that the cutter can handle substantial workloads without overheating. And finally at number 1, we have the Lotos LTP8000. If you're looking for the best plasma cutter under $1,000, the Lotos LTP8000 is a good one to check out. It's easy to use, with a variety of great features, though it does lack the dual voltage found on several other plasma cutter models. It is a bit heavier, too, but the dual handles make it easy to carry around if you need to use it on the road. This unit uses a MOSFET transistor that gives you a clean cut on thin metal, while also reaching higher power output levels for fast cutting through thicker metals as well. With the combination of the MOSFET and the pulse width modulation, You get an even, concentrated current on whatever surface you're using.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.